And hello guys, today we are playing spotting in Greater Rockford. But in 15 minutes. So let's begin this week, shall we? So today we're playing PPFS, but today we're going to play spotting in PPFS. So it's going to be because the first is going to, play spotting. So let me get my button like let me just put this. Oh, look, I'm only in public. Because I'm not afraid to, But playing spotting. Let me First we look, or let's see where she playing spot. Oh god, whoa, look at this part. The RP 447. And make sure like and subscribe to YouTube vlogs. Okay, let's start playing this spot here. Okay, let's start the playing spotting. Okay, for our first playing spotter is the warrior in what is a mini? Okay, I think someone's landing, maybe. Someone landing. And someone's landing. Let's see who's landing. Okay, here's the flight Brian Air Flight 323 Boeing 737 trying to land, and then it's landing fastly. And whoa, what a quick start. And by the way, what kind of landing about that plane? Bro, what kind of landing is that? Okay, first thing, I think he lagged that, bro. Okay, I think he lagged out. Guys, I think he lagged. I think he got disconnected. Yep, he got disconnected. Oh well, Brian there, you're not good, bro. I rated 0 out of 10 for bad landing. Okay, let's see for takeoffing. Okay, here is Baron flight 5491. Let's see if it's gonna take off and see. Okay, look at him. And he takes the takeoff. Maybe too late, by the way. But small airplane, by the way. That's a small airplane. Okay, our first takeoff ever. Baron flight 5491. Yeah. First thing, an unexpected disconnection, just like us. Unexpected disconnection, by the way. And anyways, so here is, flight Baron 54, so goodbye. Let me get a perfect view for yeah. Maybe here. But first thing first, I think someone's taking off, maybe. Let's see on the map. We're going to play spotting at, Greater Rockford. But it's, yeah. And by the way, it's, and by the way, okay guys, someone's gonna, just gonna, oh. Guys, big problem, guys. I'm only one. Okay, let's just wait until we got the plane spotter. And anyway, so this is the Greater Rockford runway 25L. Yeah. And also, guys, it's anyways, we had the first flight in the Baron. It's a small airplane, but it's a late, takeoff. But it's a late takeoff, by the way. But at least it's a perfect role playing. Well, let's wait until someone, Okay, someone going to gate the taxiway at Greater Rockford. He's going to take off neither, or he's just gonna, role play. If it's a role player, well, it's a good thing. So lonely. It's so lonely here in public. We're going to play spotting at, public. And also, guys, we're so there. So this is so yeah. Also, wait. Okay, there's another one. Okay, get a one. Okay, guys. So make sure you like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more videos like this. Yep, and it's so alone here. But okay, we have a such flight in if runs. So let's wait until they take off. Hopefully they will play. Or if they don't will play, well, I don't know if we do. So don't worry, they're just gonna play. So yeah. Oh, guys, someone's gonna land. Let's see. Guys, first take first, someone's gonna land. So when we see you, it's there. So let's do this. Okay, guys, then spot them coming. Disconnect now. Okay, plane spotting. So what is gonna fight me? Okay, guys, so make sure that it's subscribe to DJ Vlogs if you try to play spotting and UPSS. So yeah. Okay, so what's taking off? Here it is. Air Trans Flight 4309 ready for takeoff. But let's speed by the way. So here this is Air France Flight to takeoff. Air France Flight 4309 is taking off at runway 22. Okay, someone's landing here. Go around. Air France, what are you doing? Bro's getting fired. Bro, there's another landing. What? Okay, now he's taking off. So have a good flight, folks. Okay, now let's see who's gonna land today. Okay, here's the taxiway, sauce. Like 34, but let's see. Okay, AZOL flight 5040 landing here. Yeah, ready. Hopefully it's a perfect landing. Let's see. Okay, so it's landing. Okay, first thing first. Go around. Okay, guys. I think we're going around. I think we're going around. Okay, it's gonna land. Okay, next up we have a flight 477, and hopefully he got a good flight. But by the way, this airline was good by the way, good landing. Oh no, Emirates is okay. That's just okay. We have Emirates take landing, and we have a SAS just taking off. So we have a flight SAS flight 2477. And you're welcome to Victoria Airport Emirates flight 9417. I meant 15. Sorry about that one. And by the way, what a good landing Emirates flight 9415. That's a good landing. And anyways, what a good landing by the way. Now it's not a moon now. And later now such a snow on the runway. Now, I think we're done now, maybe. Okay, guys, so make sure like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more things spotting with me. I think someone's going to talk to them about runway. Look, I think someone's going on. Wait, what is oh yeah, it's there. I get it. And anyways, you can go to the groups. Okay, look at this Emirates, guys. So let's see. Okay, next up we have an Emirates taxiing on the guys. And look at that anyway. The king of the sky. Yep, the king of the sky. Yep. Boeing 747, the king of the sky. Emirates Flight 942. Yep, that's a good one. A perfect flight. A perfect one. A king of the skies. And also, guys, someone's gonna land. So we're going to do it. So let's see. Welcome to Greater Rockford, and you're perfect to here. We're going to pin spot here. Yeah. I think someone is ATCM, you know. Yeah. So hopefully they're gonna make it. So this is there's the aircraft. Okay. Good approach, guys. It's a good approach about the landing. Let's see the landing. Good approach, but what about the landing? My landing is pretty mid, but if you rated one, well, thank you for new subscribers anyways. Still got 44 subscribers. I don't know why I did it 50. And anyways, look at this. Wow, perfect approach. I think it's gonna be perfect landing. Okay, guys, let's see the flight. Let's see. We're going to rate that landing. Okay, let's see. It's Turkey flight 2874. Let's see Turkey flight. Let's see if you nailed this or you just buttered it to land. Let's see. Turkey flight. Hopefully you cooked this girl about the butter landing. Hopefully. Okay, here it is. He's slugging it. He's landing. Hey, that's a good landing, but it's late. A little bit late, but it's a good landing for W30. Whoever is in that flight, Saudi W, you are the best landing crew. Maybe I'll reach 8 because of the late touchdown. So W. Saudi W, yeah, and 2874. Welcome to Greater Rockford. What a good landing, by the way. That's a good landing. It cooked butter landing, but then bit late. That's a cooked hard landing, butter landing, maybe. And anyways, so this is Turkey Airlines. So it's role playing. And anyways, I think someone's taking off, maybe. Okay, what is that guy doing? Bro, what is that guy doing? Is he struggling too? Yeah, what's he doing? Bro, what is suspect doing? Bro, what's he doing? Okay, you're creating some crashes now. Oh, that's hard. But that's hard. I'll just make it 4 out of 10. That's hard. But that's I think that's not landing. Oh, your first thing first. You are creating First thing first. What are you doing? That's weird. By the way, that's weird. But anyways, this Turkey Airlines is one of the best landings now. So I'll put it on the list. I'll put it 8 out of 10. Great landing, by the way, but a little bit late touchdown. I sometimes late, but it's maybe I think it's too early. I think that's too early. But I landed here sometimes, but sometimes here and I late and I overrun. Yeah. Okay, next up we have text flight 5113. Let's see if you're better at this landing. Let's see if you cooked it up. I don't want to see this. I want to see this there. Wait, I think it's reversing. Oh, no, I think it's reversing. That was a good landing, by the way. In our ATR. Wait, did you say it right? ATR. I don't know what's that. I forgot that propeller thing. Probably it's one of the best ones. But anyways, I don't know. And anyways, I don't know about that landing, about the TEDx cargo flight. Hopefully the package is, safe. And also order me some Hot Wheels. Yeah. And also, let's see now. And anyways, and any we got landing and takeoff now. Yes, we got past 35 minutes. Okay guys, since we passed 15 minutes, so let's go. Let's go to the So what a good one. So Turkey is one of the best landings ever. But maybe too early, but what a hard landing, by the way. What a good landing. 8 out of 10. So here So this is 31 of that. So this is the winner. Right? Is the winner because of the, sometimes it's early, but it's a good landing, by the way. First in Turkey Airlines, by the way, not good landing, that's a good landing. By the way, good landing. And good airplane, by the way, and good aircraft. So this is very nice. So goodbye. Bye Saudi. Bye Saudi W. Anyways, good mobile landing, by the way. That's a good mobile landing, guys. Don't use the winner of all the package, by the way. Sorry, let's go back now. So, okay, someone's not playing now. So, they're not playing. Anyways, we are going to, play. So, Saudi W. Yeah. If you know Saudi, well, you are lucky. You're listening DJ Vlogs. Okay guys, that's me down playing spotting in Greater Rockford. So let's end here, shall we? And thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs. So goodbye, stay sweet, bye. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. So look at there's the flight going to Ginblock, so I'm gonna go there. So goodbye guys, stay sweet, bye.